In this video, we will show you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. To change cell size in Google Sheets, maybe you are a little bit confused because there is no menu here. And you can still change cell size by manually change the size look like this, but it's wasting time, I think, okay? To change the cell size in Google Sheet, actually, it's very easy. You need just to block the column. For example, you want to change the size column. Then you can right click in the column and select resize column. Okay, you can see this menu. For example, let select 200 here and click OK. Same with the column. You can also do with the rows. Just select the rows. Okay, for example, sorry, and then you can right click on the rows and click resize rows. For example, you need to using 40 and click OK. And you can see there the column and rows and actually the cells is resized as well. And that's all tutorial how to change cell size in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.